colors are our favorite.
I love that room.
I know, yellow's so great. I'm Steph Diaz. I'm the art director of FSCO Media.
I'm Emma Bazilian, and I'm the content director at FSCO Media, and we are the authors of the new book, Charm School.
And we are going to take a little quiz to see how well we know each other.
I'm going to go with Team Charming because I think that, much like wearing a monochromatic outfit, a matching pattern is just a really easy way to pull a whole look or a room together, and when it's done properly, I think it can also look very fun and fresh and modern.
And I think it can look charming as well, but I'm going to check it.
Well, I think it is always charming to bring the outdoors in, and especially who doesn't want to feel like they're living inside of a beautiful garden. So I think that maybe you should look in the mirror and put one thing on, because like the more fun things that you love on you, the happier you'll be.
Less is more. Less is more. As you can see, our answers are completely different, but I think that was the beauty in the process. We've learned to balance each other out, and it didn't become too granny chic. I think there was a balance. I don't know. I can go back and forth, charming.
Well, my argument would be that you cannot put a chair or your sofa in the washing machine or take it to the dry cleaner, but you can do that with a slipcover.
That's a good point.
Yeah. So you want to slipcover everything in chintz, is what you're saying?
Not in chintz, but
okay.
I think looking at our chapter and picking the imagery, I think not only does it look charming, but it also hides things, and it's a perfect way to do it. So I think it's charming.
Yeah. It's definitely a practical thing as well as a decorative thing. Did I know this at one point?
Have it written down.
Boats?
No, shields.
Oh.
Is there a neither? Sorry, please cut that. So rattan is actually a material, and wicker is a weaving method. So you can have a, wait, did I get that right?
I don't know if you did. Oh my God.
Lia cajon. Okay, 5 types of canopy beds are a lit à la polonaise, a lit à cajon, a half tester bed, a full tester bed, and what am I missing?
I don't know. I'm a
Half
nose
tester,
or
full
French
tester, and something else.